Do you find that your trading takes too much time and it's just not giving you the return for effort that you want? My name's Adrian Reid and I'm the founder of Enlightened Stock Trading. And in this video, I'm going to address this problem, but also show you 25 other problems that most traders struggle with. You see, there's actually a huge number of challenges that you need to get past if you're going to be successful as a trader long term. Time is just one of many problems that all retail traders face. The good news is there's one move you can make in your trading that will eliminate time and the rest of these 25 challenges as a problem for you forever. So why is time such a problem for most technical traders? Let's have a look at the process that most technical traders use to make their decisions, and you'll see why pretty quickly. In order to make your trading decisions using discretionary technical analysis, the process normally goes something like this. First, start at the high level looking at the broad market indices. Determine whether it's a bull, sideways, or bear market and decide which strategy to use based on that. Then, drill down to your favorite stocks and look at each individual chart, checking all of your favorite indicators, looking for support and resistance, trend lines, and so on, finding your entry point, stop loss, and profit target. Once you've got that, then go into the position sizing calculator, enter all of those details for the trade you want to place, and size your trades to make sure you don't take on too much risk. Typically, you're going to have to do this a couple of dozen times because you've got to build a diversified portfolio. Having a small number of stocks in your portfolio is just not going to cut it. You're going to get such erratic results. So you can see how this process will take you a huge amount of time, causing grief, stress, and low return for effort. But the good news is there's a simple solution that you can put in place to eliminate the vast majority of this time and drastically improve the consistency of your trading decisions. All you need to do is systemize your trading decisions. Put 100% objective rules in place that tell you exactly when to buy, how much to buy, and exactly when to sell. For purely systematic traders, the process becomes far simpler. First, it involves opening your trading software and updating your data. Then run the backtest to see what trades the backtest has open and what trades it's going to place the next day. Once the backtest is run, you can look at the trade list and see if there's any new trades to take the next day. If there is, you replicate those trades in your account. Job done. The whole thing takes just minutes end to end, saving you hours by eliminating all of that discretionary technical analysis. And the great news is, by having purely objective rules like this, you can quickly and easily backtest your system on past data. Getting a performance report like this, showing how it performed over the market history that you've got, and observe how the portfolio would have behaved had you always traded this system, giving you confidence that you're onto a winning trading strategy. It's a far better way to make your trading decisions because it shrinks the amount of time your trading will take from several hours every night to just minutes, and it can even be fully automated if you do it right. So if your trading is taking too much time or you're getting inconsistent results, then systemizing your trading is the right next move, because systemizing your trading will eliminate all 25 of these common trading challenges in one simple move. If you're an analytical professional with $50,000 or more of trading capital, what I want you to do next is register for Market Mastery Bootcamp. In this free 2-day training event, I'm going to lay out the highest probability and fastest path for you to succeed as a systematic stock trader. I'm going to show you how to go from launch to mastery in just a few short months so that you can finally take control and get the trading results that you want. Market Mastery Bootcamp is the next step in your trading journey. And just for registering, you're going to get access to 5 great bonuses, including 1 complete fully coded system ready to go, which I actually trade in my own portfolio. So click the link in the description below this video or scan the QR code and register for Market Mastery Bootcamp and get immediate access to your 5 great bonuses. My name's Adrian Reid. This is Enlightened Stock Trading, and I can't wait to see you at Market Mastery Bootcamp. Bye for now.